Sermon number 241. Exhorting his men to jihad, and asking them to refrain from seeking ease. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Allah seeks you to thank Him and assigns to you His affairs. He has allowed time in the limited field of life, so that you may vie with each other in seeking the reward of paradise. Therefore, tighten up your girdles and wrap up the skirts. High courage and dinners do not go together. Sleep causes weakness in the big affairs of the day, and its darkness obliterates the memories of courage.